Desert rain frogs squeak loudly when threatened. A tit can swell to about 50 times its original size while feeding. Assassin snails kill and consume other snails with a needle-like proboscis. The mata mata turtle catches fish by sucking them into its mouth like a vacuum. In 1883, the zebra's close relative, the quagga, went extinct. The coconut crab is the largest land-living arthropod on Earth. Turkey vultures can smell rotting meat from miles away. The elephant hawk moth larva transforms from looking like this to this. The secretary bird kills snakes by kicking them to death. The slug Aryan aider can be black, dark brown, rust red, and sometimes even orange. The smallest armadillo species can be found in Argentina, the pink fairy armadillo. Some ants will amputate injured nestmates' limbs to stop deadly infections. Dragonfly larvae are underwater predators that catch prey with an extendable, alien-like mouth. To escape predators, jerboas can leap several times their body length. The giant isopod is a deep-sea crustacean that can grow as large as a loaf of bread. Earwigs look wingless, but they're not. Sun bears have tongues up to 25 centimeters long. One of the rarest mammals on Earth was only discovered in 1992, the saola. Leafy sea dragons camouflage themselves as floating kelp. European badgers sometimes share their burrow systems with animals like rabbits and foxes. The Goliath grouper can grow as large as a cow. Pallas cats appear larger than they are because of their dense fur. Bees are found everywhere on Earth except Antarctica. Burying beetles and their young feed on the carcasses of small dead animals. Yeti crabs grow bacteria on their hairy claws and eat it. Scorpion flies look almost fake, with a long snout, wings, and a scorpion-like tail. Pacu fish have teeth that look eerily human. Mergus serrator females look like this, and males like this. Cryptopterus biceros are transparent, making their bones and organs visible. The saiga antelope is one of the few animals still alive today that lived during the Ice Age. A tiger's tongue is covered in barbs that act like a built-in comb for cleaning meat off bones. Bamboo shrimp use feather-like hands to catch food drifting in the water. Army ants sometimes form a death spiral, walking in endless circles until they die. Some Antarctic sponges may live for up to 10,000 years. Elephant shrews aren't true shrews, they're more closely related to manatees. The kakapo is the world's only flightless parrot. Fennec foxes use oversized ears to help release body heat. Crab-eater seals mostly eat krill despite their misleading name. A giraffe's heart pumps blood with extreme pressure so it can travel the entire length of its long neck to reach the brain. The yellow-necked mouse eats nuts, seeds, insects, berries, and fungi. Bar-headed geese fly over the Himalayas, reaching heights where oxygen is extremely low. Hyena packs are ruled by females, not males. In northern jacanas, males incubate the eggs while females defend the territory. Pangolins are the only mammals covered in scales. Woodlice have 14 legs. The markhor has corkscrew-shaped horns that can grow over 1.5 meters long in males. Snowy owls hunt both during the day and at night. The takahe was once thought extinct before being rediscovered in 1948. Axolotls can accept transplanted limbs without their bodies rejecting them. The fossa looks like a cat, but is actually more closely related to mongooses. The olm can survive over 10 years without eating. Kiwis have nostrils at the tip of their beaks. Aardvarks can close their nostrils while digging to keep out dust and insects. European wildcats look very similar to domestic cats, but have bushier tails with distinct black rings. African elephants react more defensively to recordings of human voices that speak languages historically associated with danger, like Maasai. Some tenrecs use high-frequency sounds to communicate. The shoebill's beak can grow over 20 centimeters long. The African crested rat coats its fur with poison from plants to deter predators. Patoo birds freeze in place and look exactly like broken tree branches. Marabou storks cool themselves by defecating on their own legs.